Are you like me and have a bit of a problem with a slippery seat? This seat's been getting more and more slippery over the years I've had this bike, and it's got to a point where sometimes it's a bit dangerous, depending on what trousers I'm wearing. I was riding it with my motocross trousers on a while ago, and I felt like I was sitting on ball bearings. So there is a solution which we found. I found a solution on YouTube actually. Another guy did a video with some Goalkeeper spray. We've got the Super Goalkeeper spray, the extra sticky stuff, so we're going to give it a go and see if it works. So this is the Glove Glue Mega Grip. It's got 25% extra strength. So we give it a shake and we just basically spray it on and see if it works. We're not being sponsored by this. I bought it on eBay, so let's have a look. Okay, it goes on a bit white. Ooh, a bit white. Don't put too much on. And then we just rub it in. So I'm going to get a cloth and rub it in. So just give it a rub in. It actually feels quite grippy doing this. Keep out of the way, puppy. Got some on there, I don't want that. So, keep out of the way, dog. I hope this works because it doesn't feel so good sometimes. Keep out of the way, dog, and you'll be stuck to the seat. Away. Right, I'm going to leave that to dry.
So in the first part of this video, which was filmed a while ago, it was rubbed in, the stuff was rubbed into the seat, and it didn't feel noticeably grippy, but it also didn't feel noticeably slippy either, so it was a midway point. So then we tried a different way of doing it, by spraying it on, not rubbing it in, sitting on there so you get a bit on your jeans, and then coming off and leaving it a few minutes. It seemed to be noticeably more grippy than when we rubbed it in. So just to emphasise, we just bought this on eBay. This isn't something that we're sponsored by. You can get other stuff that's very similar. We just chose this one basically, and we're giving you our verdict. It's nothing that they haven't paid us or anything.
So after riding it a few times and spraying the stuff on, the seat, I mean, it still feels smooth. It doesn't feel tacky, but it's not as slippery as it was. So when I'm sitting on the bike, I don't feel that I'm sliding about so much, but I wouldn't say it's that brilliant. So it's not a solution I'd say is particularly wonderful, if I'm honest, but it's better than nothing. So there's probably something else out there that is better than that. So if you've got something that is even better than spraying that on, let us know. I almost felt like sticking grip tape or something on the seat. But it depends on the seat, of course. Some seats are naturally grippy. This just shines up and gets really slippery the more you sit on it. So yeah, let us know if you've got a better solution, because there's nothing worse than slipping off the back of your motorbike. So yeah, if you've got some hanging around, if you're into football and you've got some Goalkeeper glue, use it. I wouldn't particularly say go out and buy some unless you've got a severe problem. Then it's better than nothing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know what you think, and check out our t-shirts below. They're usually on the carousel below, but sometimes if we change a few and what have you, they disappear for a while. So you'll find a link somewhere in our page.